G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Parravans at Windsor. I've got something sensational to show you. It's the River Dreamliner. Really should be the River spaceship because it's full of space. You won't till I show you, it's immense. But just start over here, you've got a generator slide cupboard, and this is where you can have your generator. But the beautiful part is, on the other side is another slide out as well, so you can have your generator on either side, whatever you prefer. Over here is an immense tunnel boot. Just a brilliant tunnel boot, all the way through to the other side. And there's a second tunnel boot. This is at the rear. Have a look. It's terrific. It goes in here, all the way through, opens up on the other side. Storage galore. Somewhere for your chairs and your toys and all the good things that you want to keep. Then you've got the picnic table, outdoor TV unit, speakers of course. Let me show you inside. This is the Dreamliner. Have a look at the amount of cupboard space and storage space and the size of this club lounge. And then the beautiful part is that this table spins, so you can make it spin, you can make it slide fore and aft, you can make it slide left or right. And then the other thing it does is the table goes down and there's another piece that comes on, another piece of beautiful upholstery that completes a mattress for you. So if you've got spare kids or spare guests, hey, they've got their own suite. You know, even when you're on holidays, you might want all those comforts of home, and this River Caravan, the Dreamliner, does have them. It does. Have a look over here at this wonderful kitchen. You've got pantry area here and pantry area here. Extra cutting board space here, if you wish, or just prep room, whatever you prefer it to be. This is clever. You're looking for deep pots, somewhere to put your deep pots. Deep pot drawer, already thought about. Wonderful section here, because you've got the bench space as well. Lift that up, and there you've got your hot plates. 3 gas, 1 electric, and through here, an oven. An oven. You might want to have a roast dinner while you're on the road. You might want some cakes, you might want some Anzac bickies, whatever it be. You've got it. It's going to make you really happy. So then all of your living area comes around. You've got more storage over here. Extra drawers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 more drawers there. And then you come to the compressor fridge. Freezer here, fridge there. It's a Dometic. And the wonderful thing is, all of this area is divided off, so your living area is totally separate to your bathroom area, totally separate to your bedroom area. So you can entertain out here, watch TV late into the night, and your partner, nice and easy, they're asleep. This is a bathroom, a real bathroom. You've got the toilet there, plus this is a front loader washing machine. That's excellent. Look at the size of the vanity, the height of the vanity, it's so good. Extra storage up here, which is wonderful. As you come across, if you've got extra guests staying, there's an extra wardrobe here and a set of drawers for them as well. If you don't have guests, it's even more for you because you've got your own wardrobe space in the main bedroom and a big shower. It's wonderful, light filled, fabulous. But the best part is the bathroom is divided away from the living room and the bedroom. So if somebody's late at night watching TV out here, who's ever in the bedroom has got some privacy. This is a bedroom, a bedroom. You've got your own room, you've got the bed, and it's fabulous. So you've got storage over here on one side, and more again down here. Storage on the other, more again down there, more storage up here. You've even got little book pockets, so when you're finished reading your book at the night time, put in your little book pocket, that's all nicely done. Under the bed, huge amount of storage. It just easily lifts up on the gas lifts, a lot of storage. More cupboards over here, and then you've got a Sirocco fan here, which is lovely, and there's a Sirocco fan out in the dining area too. Plus, you've got this exhaust fan here, which is lovely. A nice summer's night, create a nice breeze coming through, pulls in the air conditioning as well. That's wonderful. You're going to have a lovely holiday. All right, so when you're ready to go on holidays, who are you going to call? Parravans at Windsor. Just give them a call, give them an email. They'll help you, whatever van you want. New or used, they'll help you.